If your dryer has stopped spinning, the most likely cause is the belt breaking. You can verify that this is the case by pressing the door safety switch and turning it on. If you can hear the motor running but the drum isn't turning, that verifies that the belt is most likely the cause. You can also try spinning the drum by hand, and if it seems very easy to turn, that is also an indicator that the belt is broken. To fix this, unplug the unit and remove the 2 tiny screws by the dryer lint trap. Once the screws are out, you should be able to tilt the lid back. There are 2 spring clips in the front that require a little bit of force to pull the lid off. Once you have the lid removed, you can see where the belt would normally ride on the drum, but it is not there, so that means the belt has broken. You'll have to remove the 2 bolts that hold the front door on using a socket or a nut driver. Once those are out, disconnect the door switch and then you can gently lift the door off. Once you get the front door off, you should find your broken belt on the bottom of the dryer, along with the tensioner that has fallen out of place. When buying a new belt, you'll need to measure the width of your dryer, and you can purchase the new belt at any home improvement store or hardware store. Slip the new belt over the dryer drum, then place the tensioner back in the slots. Once the tensioner is in place, feed the belt underneath the pulley and onto the drive shaft of the motor. Give the drum a couple spins to make sure it's moving correctly, and then take this opportunity to clean the bottom of the dryer while you're in there. Put the front door back on while making sure the drum is aligned correctly with the front and the back. Don't forget to reconnect the door safety switch. Close the lid over the spring clips and reinstall the screws by the lint trap. Once everything is tightened down, plug the dryer back in and test it the same way we did at the beginning. If the drum is spinning, you've done your job well. If this video has helped you, please let me know in the comments or even hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.